Welcome back, friends. In this episode of my channel Hot Puri, I will be sharing with you a special mojito recipe made with spirulina powder and without alcohol. So for today's recipe, I am going to use Blue Green Spirulina Powder, which is also vegan, and it has the cleansing ability. It says it's a remarkable protein-rich blue-green algae which contains brain-boosting chemicals which give it its pretty blue hue. Let's start with it. For the mojito, we need lemon, or you can take lime also. Few sprigs of mint leaves. This is fresh mint. Now we are going to muddle this mixture. Almost done. Pouring some more lemon juice. For additional sweet tangy flavor, I'm going to add a bit of orange juice. Beautiful. One teaspoon of brown sugar. This is jaggery powder. It goes in. And this spirulina powder. Heaping spirulina powder. 1 teaspoon goes. Mix this mixture very thoroughly. For this mojito drink, I have also prepared special ice cubes made with edible flowers. To complete the drink, we have the choice to either add sparkling water or still water. healthy, refreshing Spirulina Mojito is ready to enjoy. I hope you like the recipe and would try it at home.